Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentice Club. Today we are going to solve Web Vulnerability Scanner. So, what is this Web Vulnerability Scanner? So, an all-around website vulnerability scanner which draws on the excellent codes on predecessors. It has built-in 12,000 plus plugins to perform a large-scale detection of the website. Its functions includes, but are not limited in a web fingerprint detection. Port fingerprint detection, website structures analysis, a various popular vulnerability detection crawler, and SQL injection detection and access detection and everything. So W9 scan will automatically generate a beautiful HTML format of the result of the report. So uh, what is the main features we can get here? So the main features we can get here as fingerprint detection can identify common websites, CMS fingerprints like 300 plus, and can identify the common website frameworks and themes, identify common port services and fingerprints, detect a website scripting language, detect operating system type, detect a website firewall, attack parameters, and SQL injection based on crawlers, access injection based on crawlers, a large number of fuzz parameter scans. And also it will identify for a CVE vulnerabilities and uh, 12,000 plus specified plugins in directional verification attacks also there. Struct for vulnerability collections including an automatic detection, shell shock, CGI test, heartbeat and heart bleeding, IIS parsing vulnerability, IIS put vulnerability, brute force cracking, backup files and directories based on the crawler, backup files and directories and common files, subdomain brute force parsing, uh, fake editor path of the enumeration, and common uh, MySQL database enumeration, and Git SVN leak identification of the Tomcat of web XMLs and information collections like email based crawlers, private IP, email based on the crawlers, detect the warnings and fatal errors, PHP version identification, IIS information leakage, IP address attributes, integrate a webalizer identification script, robots.txt parsing, detect unsafe headers in the headers, detect unsafe factors in the cookies also it will be done. Now, we would like to open the terminal first. Now, we just type here as git clone, let it paste the repository. Oh no, it's not okay. Now, we just type here as git clone https github.com w digital scanner w9 scan. So we would like to clone the repository first. Now we just go to a directory w9 scan. We just type list. There we don't have any type of requirements to install. Now we just directly run this. So you just copy this one. You just type here as Python 3 w9 scan.python minus help. Let's see here. So we just try here as Python 2. Yes. Now we have here w9 scan Python 2. We would like to use the URL for the targeted thing. That's it. So we just type here as clear. Now we just type here as -u. So I would like to use the testing website php test.testphp.vulnerweb.com. Let we try this. Now we are getting the log files where output which is saving here log.txt URL has been loaded one. Now it also have Akunetics inbuilt here. Now set the thread number 10. Now it will be getting all the information. So clickjacking X framework options is header missing, content type header missing, strict transport security header missing. We would like to get all the information. So let it load the all information first here. Now look here. This host has Microsoft Windows system. So it will identify any one of the targeted machine. Or so here are robots.txt which we have identified here. Then crossdomain.xml where we are identifying here. So it will take a little bit time to generate all. So admin panel also we have found here. Look here, admin. So this will crack automatically. What else we have? So we try to look this as admin. So we just open the link. Let we try to look here. Let it look this first. So it might take a little bit time. Something. No. So where this you can see a index.html. Then create a SQL. We try here the SQL database from the targeted of this website. we have got it from here. Now, later we would like to look this a cross-domain XML. Maybe we would like to look this. So, cross-domain policy allow for access from the domain to a port to a secure response. So we have done this, then we would like to test uh, cross-domain XML. So it may take a lengthy time process to perform this one. Let's see here. So where which we was completed, but it's take a long lengthy time process because it's work similar like Akunetics, Mesos, and any other web vulnerability scans. So where it will identify the direct of vulnerabilities. So you try any one of the targeted web, your own targets. That's it. So we tried it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.